I am now working with two of the biggest personal finance and stock market YouTubers in the game. How are you guys doing today? My name is Crider. I make daily personal finance, entrepreneurship, and credit card related videos here on YouTube aimed at high school and college students. And today I've got some very exciting news. Okay, so yesterday I actually just secured my second partnership with one of these big creators. I'm not gonna share their names just because I don't know if they want me to or not. But just for an idea of who they might be, they both have followings on YouTube of over 150,000, and they make stock market related videos. So feel free to take your guesses in the comment section below if you want to. But what I'm going to be talking about is how I actually was able to work with these guys and how you can actually work with anybody you want. Like literally anybody who's doing anything you want. Like if you want anybody to be your mentor or anybody to just be able to work with or work under, like this is how you do it, like step by step. I'm gonna share with you guys, okay? I'll share exactly what I did to get these people to work with me and what I'm actually providing them in return, okay? So essentially, what it comes down to, like the basics of getting anybody to just listen to you or to give you anything, whether that be their time of day or advice or anything, you have to lead with value, guys. I'm gonna repeat this because it is the most important thing I'm going to say in this entire video. You need to lead with value, okay? So, okay, here's what I did. I put together some content. Because what I saw is these guys, they have huge followings on YouTube, okay? They've got hundreds of thousands of people following them on YouTube, watching all of their videos. That's amazing. I turn over to their Instagram because I'm looking to expand my Instagram right now. I look at their Instagram, it's weak. Honestly, it's weak. Like they have a couple thousand followers at best on their Instagram, whereas their YouTube channel has hundreds of thousands, and I'm like, there's no reason why there needs to be this discrepancy. Like they are putting out amazing content. Why is there this discrepancy? There shouldn't be. So my thing was, okay, I want to get these people, they're putting out valuable content. They are educating people on stuff that is important, stuff that I talk about as well. So they like deserve to be reaching more people. So what I did is I'm like, okay, how can I solve this problem? They are not reaching as many people on Instagram as they could be as they are reaching on YouTube. So how can I give them a solution to this problem? Because what's in it for me is I want these people to be able to reach more people and provide the information that they're providing to a wider audience, because that's the same mission that I'm on. So that's why I wanted to do that. And honestly, I thought it would be cool to like get to know these people a little bit better, just because I've been watching their videos for honestly close to 2 years now. So I thought it'd be cool to like work with these guys that I've been just like looking up to for so long, and like the inspiration to start my YouTube channel. So I reached out to them and I figured out a way to provide them value. If you want to know exactly how I'm doing that, I'm going to make a video on that in the next couple days, just how I am actually providing them value and like the content that I'm giving them basically. But I reached out to them and I literally said, I'll read you my DM that I sent them on Instagram. I said, in caps, my first sentence is all in caps. It says, I will work for you for free, because I knew that that's what was going to show up in the little Instagram like display thing, you know, where like, because there's no subject line in a DM. So I was basically like, I will work for you for free, all caps, so that was what they would see when they were scrolling through the DMs. So I said, I will work for you for free, no subject line in a DM. So I opted for that. So the video below is an example of the content that I will create for you. I do not want compensation. Now this is very important. So first of all, I told them, I made them a video and I'm like, this is the video that I'm going to give to you. I'm going to give you this. You can put it on your social channels. I already made them, like I made them a video. I took the time out of my day to create a piece of content for them with no expectation of anything in return, because I led with, I will create, this is what I will create for you. I do not want compensation. Like literally, I ended up, they're going to be paying me, but I didn't want anything. Like that was not part of the plan at all. Like I wanted to come in, provide them with value, and I mean, just start building a relationship, honestly, because I wanted to get to know these guys better, because I've been watching their videos again for 2 years. So I'm like, that would be so cool to get to know these guys. So I'm like, I'm going to make you these videos. I'm a kid. I have time in my day. Like I can do this. And I don't want any money, so I said I don't want compensation. I want to help you reach more people, because that's like what I said before. I want their Instagrams to be able to reach as many people as their YouTube channels are, because they're getting thousands and thousands of views on these videos. Like why should their Instagrams be any different than that? Because the content they're putting out is high quality stuff. They're just not getting in front of as many people as they could be. And I mean, the key to that is just more content and engaging content. So what I said is, okay, here's some more content and it's very engaging. So here we go. Okay, so I said, I do not want compensation. I want to help you reach more people. I want your Instagram following to look more like your YouTube following, because like I said before, they're reaching hundreds of thousands on YouTube. They're reaching a couple thousand at best on Instagram. So I'm like, let's fix this discrepancy. I said, I will not bother you. I will just work. I will send you 3 of these videos per week for your Instagram and Facebook, because these videos, they're shorter, so they're good for Instagram and Facebook, where Instagram you can only have videos up to a minute. Facebook, there's not really a limit, but the shorter videos do better. They have better shareability, so that's why we're going for that. So yeah, I said, I will not bother you. I will just work, because I don't want these people to think that I'm just trying to like mooch off of them or like try to, I don't know, like scam them or something. Like, I just want them to know that I'm literally just in this to help them grow. Like, there's no ulterior motive for me. Like, I'm not in this trying to like get something for myself. Like, I didn't even want to be getting paid for these videos. I was literally just gonna do it for free because I wanted to help them reach more people. But the fact that they are gonna be compensating me for that, that's an icing on top of the cake, honestly. Like, cool. All right, last part. These videos receive much higher engagement than pictures or other videos and will grow your following. So that was my entire DM. I just said, like, this is what I'm gonna make for you. I don't want to be getting paid. I'm not gonna bother you. I'm just gonna make you 3 of these every single week in perpetuity, and that's all I want to do. That's all I want to do, because you like I said, guys, coming back to the beginning, you need to lead with value. If you don't lead with value, nobody's gonna listen to you. Nobody is going to give you their time of day. I mean, look at these guys. They're making hundreds of thousands of dollars from their personal brands, from businesses they've started. Like, they're not gonna give me their time of day if I'm just coming in and being like, hey, give me a shout out, dude. Like, no, that's not gonna get you anywhere. That's gonna lose you respect on their scale. That's gonna get you nothing. They're gonna say, wow, this dude's just a mooch. Like, I'm not even gonna take the time of day. I might even block this dude. Like, they're not gonna take the time out of their day to respond to that, because there's no value in it for them. Like, think about this. They have so much going for them that me coming in and trying to mooch off of that's gonna get me nowhere. So like, I figure, why not just help them? Why not provide them with value so that they can get to where they want to go, and I can just be helping them, because they are spreading the same message that I want to be spreading. They're helping people, they're helping young people get their finances in order, figure out how to start investing, how to begin looking at entrepreneurship, like all of these things that the school system just doesn't teach right now that I think are very, very valuable. These guys are doing it. So I just wanted to be a part of that, and I wanted to help them support their mission to reach as many people as possible. So in addition to these 2 guys that I have started working with, I also have some, I've reached out to a couple more people, and I'm thinking about one more person I might reach out to with these videos, just to try to partner with them as well. And again, I'm not seeking compensation from these people. Like, literally, I'm just going for people. I'm trying to work with people whose mission I really do truly believe in, and I really like, my only motive is to help them reach more people, because I think the message that they are spreading is so valuable. Like, there's no, like, I'm not hiding anything here. Like, I'm being so real with you guys right now. I'm not hiding like, oh, I'm secretly doing this because I have this master plan to, like, I don't even know, dude. Like, the genuineness of like what I'm doing, it's literally, there's nothing there. I don't even know how to express how little I want in return for what I'm doing for these people. Like, I wouldn't even care if they just literally sent a 1-word reply that said yes, like, send me these videos, good. Like, I wouldn't even care. Like, I would just do it because I want to be providing them with value and help them reach as many people as possible. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I just want to share with you guys, I'm super stoked that I am working with these guys, because I've been watching their videos for literally 2 years, and just the fact that, like, I don't know, it's really cool for me. Maybe you guys are just like, wow, this kid is like a nerd. Like, look at him trying to reach out to other YouTubers and stuff. But I'm just like, this is really, yesterday was a very good day, guys. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I'm so stoked that I'm working with these guys. Hopefully, we can work together for a while, and hopefully I can just help them spread their message to even more people, because it's just such a valuable message that people aren't getting this message anywhere else. People aren't learning how to invest. People aren't learning how to start a business. People aren't learning how real money is made anywhere else. So I think this is just the right fight to be fighting, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Anyways, guys, my name's Crider. I make daily personal finance, entrepreneurship, and credit card related videos. Shout out to Ryan Scribner for this camera angle, because I like it, and I sort of artistically adapted it from his last YouTube video. So if you guys want to check him out, look at his camera angle. That is where the inspiration for this new shot came from. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you want to learn more about investing, I've got an entire free online video lecture course down below. Check it out.